Hey everyone, you are welcome on your flow. Today we will see D3, that is data driven documents. D3 is a free open source JavaScript library for visualizing data. So this is it is on npm. This is we have D3 on GitHub. This is its D3.js.org. That is website, and now we will start D3. So before that, I have one repository that is D3 Visual. You need to clone this repository and open this folder, introduction. Here we will see something kind of JS, HTML and CSS file. I have already opened here. I'll double click on text file. It will open in the browser. So now we will start D3.js introduction. So here this is data driven documents, the power of data visualization. Transform raw data into stunning interactive visualizations. So first we'll go here, and then here, here we have versions, and we'll see last 7 days how much it is downloads in last 7 days, right? Also we have here GitHub star, and first released we can see somewhere here 14 years ago. That is good. Now we'll see our next thing, that is what is D3.js. So D3.js means data driven documents. D3.js is a powerful JavaScript library for creating dynamic interactive data visualizations using HTML, SVG and CSS. So I hope you have uh, this code downloaded. So this is one. In this video we will see only theoretical, but in upcoming videos for D3 we will see practical, and there we will have some other repository as well. So here data means your raw information, JSON, CSV or any data format. Then driven, that is data controls the visualization, and then we have documents, that is DOM manipulation creates visuals. Since we have why choose D3.js. First thing is complete control, pixel perfect control over every visual element. Web standards built on HTML, SVG and CSS. Modular design, 30 plus focused modules. Import only what you need. And rich ecosystem, scales, access, shapes, colors and more. Now we have use cases. So business analytics, network graphs, geographic maps, time series, hierarchies and scientific data. We have something called live demo. So we have different kind of charts here, bar, bubble and more. You can see here, right? These are charts, and then we can get started. Again I'm saying that in upcoming videos we will do settings, and then after that we'll see how we can start with D3.js practically. So this is very much simple. You have to include here, create container and get started. So this is one way. Another way we can use using npm, so that is also available. So this is the D3 overview. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified whenever we upload videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Eras Overflow.